just listening to your stories today, I'm always inspired. I think it's amazing. And what I do is deliver mental health workshops for people in the community. It's been mainly children and then elderly people. And I just sat there and thought, oh, how many things rhyme with collaboration? And you said them all out here, so I thought, right, I've got to write my poem. So here we go, and it's called Magic Wand Collaboration.
Oh.
Today has been an inspiration, given an appetite for collaboration. It's our moral obligation to share your wealth of information. So create a conversation. Don't have misconceptions about making connections and deal alone with your frustrations. Whether your path has been probation or even incarceration. Whatever your experience you've had, this is a basis for your foundation. Let's see some integration and produce a mapping of organisations. The key to cooperation is to harness an individual's aspiration. So let's see the talent in this room be part of worldwide domination.